is Sasha. Today we're going to be doing a Jojo Seawall slime kit. I got it from Target, so you can also find it at Michael's. So I'm going to be making a Jojo slime kit. As the other slime kits, it doesn't really work because we never get the right contact solution. So this time we're going to try the Jojo kit. I love Jojo. She is amazing. So I already got the glue in it. Oh, we need 13 ml of water right here. And you will need to mix it. Here's a little mixer. I'm going to use my knife that I had. And you just got to mix it. Right?
Yep. Now you got to choose your additive. What do you want to add to it? You want to add the sparkles or what?
I want to add the purple glitter. Can you please open it for me? So I'm just going to stir my glue.
Can we see it?
It's my water. It's really clear right now. And it's really watery. I hope this comes out because I really love slime to play with. And I really like making it. So you have to stir it really well. I'm just going to sit on this chair. And just, as you can see, I'm stirring it. And it's already coming together a little bit. So do we go ahead and pour it in?
Yep.
Whoa, it's getting super glittery. I'm gonna add the whole kit, I think. Whoa! Wow. Whoa, look at that slime. It's turning into slime. It's so sparkly. Jinx, Becca!
Jinx.
Whoa, now what do you need to add, Mom?
Stir the mixture of glue, water, and additive with the slime stick until fully blended.
Okay, so we gotta stir it.
Okay, now you gotta have 5 ml of slime activator solution. Can you find which one that one is? Let me see. Slime activator, so 5 mLs. That's, use your measuring cup.
My measuring cup.
And it's to the 5, so it's at the very bottom.
Wrong side. Go.
And you gotta add it to the bowl while stirring slowly with your spoon.
Or your knife.
Or your knife. Ooh, is it getting thicker?
Oh my gosh, it's actually working. I've never made slime before.
So always use the slime stick to stir.
Whoa!
It'll get thicker and thicker. And when it gets really thick, you can remove it from the bowl and then start kneading it.
Kneading it? Oh, I'm super
It's
excited.
getting really thick.
Yeah, it's not even.
My. I can't believe it actually worked.
I'm gonna make some other ones with these. These are amazing kits. We gotta get more of these, Mom. These are amazing. Oh my gosh, it's all thick.
Oh my.
Look how thick that is. I think it's thick. Oh, it's
Wow.
thick. Let's keep stirring it with the knife. It's like sticky.
How much was the kit? Do you remember?
It was, I think 10?
20.
14. But that was really close for my chores. Mommy said I could have as much money as that Jojo kit would cost. And it was 20, so looks like I got it.
All right, let's see that slime.
Okay, so I'm just gonna set my knife right there. I'm gonna take it out of the bowl.
Wow, that worked so well.
And it's sticky.
So I think that's the best slime you've ever made.
Yeah, I've never made slime before.
I think Jojo knows what she's doing, eh?
Yeah, she knows what to add. This is super stretchy and super fun. Just whenever you start kneading it, it will get less stickier. The more you knead it, it will get less stickier.
So you happy with it?
I'm very happy. It's very glittery. It's very sparkly. It's very stretchy. Whoa, it's very satisfying.
Satisfying. Maybe we should write to Jojo and let her know it's a good product. What do you think?
Yeah, let's write to Jojo.
What do you give it? How many stars?
I would give it 100 out of. I would give it 1 million out of 1 million. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. And hit that notification, please.